Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Alex here from Simple Mods and welcome back to another video. If you remember the custom AORUS themed InWin S-Frame I did a few months back, well this is the InWin S-Box. It's an unreleased enclosed version of the S-Frame and it's a pretty cool looking case. It follows the same design process as the InWin S-Frame where it mainly has a large aluminium sheet that's been bent into an S to form the main part of the chassis. I've had this case from InWin since shortly after they announced it, however, never actually saw a full release, and at the time I was also going through a big move and unfortunately never got to do anything with the case. So after I was done with the Cyberpunk system, the majority of the hardware from that system was moved into this one, mainly the Z490 AORUS XTREEM motherboard with the 10900K CPU, the Team Group XTREME memory, along with the SSDs, and the AORUS RTX 2080 Super graphics card. Then modified the case a bit to fit a full custom Seagate water cooling loop and put the pump and res combo in the front chamber of the case after removing all of the hard drive cages. I also made this custom panel to make pass-through fittings just to clean up the loop a little bit, as well as this custom power supply shroud where I stuck the 3 Delta Max ARGB SSDs from Team Group, and it's also hiding all the cables under there. So then of course we've got the custom vinyl wrapping on the front of the case. This was printed by Ethan from CableMod, so thanks a lot once again for the support. And also cheers to Gia for helping in applying it. It's always pretty nerve-wracking vinyl wrapping large panels, and she definitely has a lot more patience than I do. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the way the system turned out, except that it doesn't actually work. Now this actually may be my bad, but the 1250 watt power supply that I had from InWin came with an international plug. So I simply got an adapter for it, and I didn't realize that it's a 15 amp cord. So of course I plugged that into a 10 amp household socket and the system ran, however, just a little bit while I was filling it up. So after that, it was receiving power, however, it was not powering on. So I'm not actually sure what's going on with it. This is simply a showcase system, so unfortunately I didn't have time to pull it apart and further diagnose it, because after I'm done with this video, it's gonna come apart anyways. So I'm really hoping the motherboard is fine and it's just something wrong with the power supply. But for the purpose of this video, to still be able to showcase this custom system to you guys before having to pull it apart completely, I actually jump started the fans and the water cooling pump from a different power supply. And the motherboard is just running the RGB demo, just simply from this USB power bank. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the time-lapse video. Let's take it away. Thanks a lot for tuning into this video. Hope you enjoyed. Give us a like if you did, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.